Morning, everyone. It's Friday morning, end of the week, 23rd of July, and it's been a pretty good week. This is your video number 684. We have manufacturing and service PMIs today, but they don't come out until 9:45, so you'll have to get that one on your own. I'll put it in the Discord room when it comes out, but you have to be in the Discord room in order to see it. Okay, so Asia is mixed and Europe is slightly higher. Israel is saying that the Pfizer vaccine has an efficacy rate of about 39% on the Delta variant, so that's not great. I know that in my wife, who is a transplant patient's area, Mass General says that there's basically no efficacy. It's really at most 15% for that subset of people who have to take anti-rejection meds. Okay, enough of the bad news. Well, let's go with some bad earnings. We have SAM, Boston Beer, with a miss, top and bottom line, and the stock is down 20%. This is a company that went from, double digits to 1,500 or so. Currently trading 753.80, down 196, 20%. Intel, which beat top and bottom line, is also down $1.40, even though they gave decent guidance going forward. Their margins declined from 59 to 55%, which is not good news. And they say that the chip shortage is going to hamper going forward. Snap and Twitter, both big beats, top and bottom. Snap 73.68, up $10.71 or 17%. And Twitter 72.62, up 305 or 4.4%. Honeywell also beat top and bottom line. It's basically unchanged, currently down 35 cents. And here's my big question of the day. With coffee, which is the chart on the screen, having moved from $1.50 to over $2, and Starbucks is going to take advantage of that and raise prices. My question is, how many millennials who are unemployed are going to spend $8 on a latte when they can go to Dunkin' Donuts for $2.35 to a drive-thru? That's just my own personal take on the coffee market. We actually sold half of our JO yesterday, which is the coffee ETF, at 54.84, I believe. I think it closed a little bit higher than that at 55 and change. Closed 55, just under 55, currently trading 55.50 with a high of 58.65. So we took $1,000 out of a $3,600 position, and we still own half. So I think that that's a pretty big positive for us. Let's take a look at some of the this, as I mentioned, this is the coffee, and it did gap up, and it did trade as high as $2.09.5 excuse me, for a pound, which is pretty high. The other thing that I want to show you is the lumber. Looks like it has tried to bottom in here in that range of about $500, and it has started back up. It was up limit yesterday, up $63. So I'm thinking we get back to $750, but hey, it's not a problem. Nobody needs wood, and inflation is transitory. All right, everyone. The stock futures are up higher again this morning. Dow has been working higher all morning, currently up about 198. if we continue on this vein today, I think that the S&P will make a new high, and the NASDAQ also. So we'll have to see how that goes. Bitcoin is up a little. 1 second, and I'll give you all of the numbers. The 10 years back to about 1.3. S&P, as I said, is up 20. Dow up 180 now, with a high, as I said, of up about 200, and the NASDAQ is up about 56. All right, everyone, have a good weekend. I'll be back on Monday.